If you're a Walsall home buyer looking for a one-bedroom town centre apartment, we've got the ideal opportunity for you here at the Saddlery in Leicester Street, in the heart of the town centre, where just Bridge Street is over there to your right hand side. The town centre is directly opposite, and we've got the bus station, we've got the train station. Everything's very conveniently located over here. The property is in a Grade 2 listed building called the Saddlery in Walsall, and we'll take you around in a second and show you the complete video tour. So if you want to follow me, I'll take you inside. Okay, follow me. Okay, so the communal entrance to the main building. You've got your post boxes over here, and you can see all the tiling, beautiful decoration. The lights are on microwave fitting, so as you go up, you'll see them coming on. Okay, the property is on the first floor. We'll be going to number 5. Okay. So the flat we're going to show you around today is flat number 5 over there. We're outside flat number 5. I'm going to take you inside and show you around. Okay. So the entrance to the flat. The flat is on the back end of the building called the Saddlery. So you can see all these lovely big windows. It's a Grade 2 listed building. And obviously we've got these lovely windows to the side that lets in a lot of bright air to greet you when you come into the flat. So if we walk through, straight across into here is your bedroom. We'll go into that in a second. I just want you to just turn around and have a look at, this is where your lounge with your shower room, bathroom is over there. The bedroom here is a good size. You come through when you're ready. And again, if you look around, it's a good sized double bedroom. I'll just close the door so you get a good feel of this. We've got a tenant in here at the moment. The property is tenanted. So if an investor was looking to take this property on, there's a sitting tenant in here as we speak. So there's no break in terms of void periods or anything like that. High ceilings, big windows, lovely airy bedroom as it is. There's a store room just over here. I'll just open that. It's being used as a little cupboard by the tenant at the moment with coats and storage. So, very nice big bedroom that we have here. Okay, so if we go through now and take you through to we'll go past the bathroom for now. We'll come back to that in a second, and we'll come to the lounge diner. Front aspect across, so it goes across the back and to the front as well. So the front is facing the promenade, straight across is your town hall, and there's the pub to the right as well. And in this room you have space for where our current tenant has put in a dining table, sofa, TV area. He's a software programmer, I believe, so he's got his computer and stuff over there in the corner, a little workstation. And then the kitchen comes with integrated oven and hob. The fridge freezer, I believe, is the landlord's, and the washing machine as well is the landlord's. There's a little cupboard in this corner over here, which is where the immersion heater is. The building is all electric. There's no gas in this building. Okay, and lastly, I'll take you through to, if you follow me, into the shower room, bathroom, shower unit. So practical, and it's got an electric shower on the wall, shower cubicle, WC wash and basin. Thank you for watching the video tour. We'll end the video tour over here. Links are in description in terms of all the information that you need to make an inquiry. Contact us by telephone or by email, and we'll get back in touch with you. And if you're interested in buying, we'll take the offer forward to the vendor and see where we take it from there. Thank you very much.